from cows?
Hey, Mittens, you know why cows have bells?
Yeah, man! I know why cows have bells, man! Cows have bells because sometimes their horns don't work, man! Hey, man, get a sense of humor, man!
Really? Sheesh!
Sharky? Bye, Sharky! Maybe we'll see you later! Oh, Sharky, before you go! I almost forgot! Here's that quarter I borrowed! I'll throw it to you!
Sharky hit his head. That's what I said. He's got a lump on his mouth like his thumb was home. He said something to hope Sharky should have known. Could be seeing red. Sharky hit his head. Eat the cat, don't amuse him. Hurt his head, confuse him. A purple pity so lame, causing Sharky so much pain. A real bad head blow. But that's how it goes. Sharky's gonna fall down now. You wanna look at Sharky now? Sharky hit his head.
So, Elmo, what do you got planned for the rest of your day?
Oh, Eek, I have to raise money so my little brother Timmy can have an operation.
Kumbaya, Elmo! What misfortune has touched little Timmy this time?
Oh, Eek, it's too awful to describe. I'll just have to show you. By all that is holy, Eek, I ask that you be strong.
So horrible, inhuman.
He is not inhuman. He is an animal. An animal with a piggy bank stuck on his nose.
Must help Timmy. Must think of a way.
Well, I already know what we need to do. We need to form a band and sell tickets. We'll call it Timmy Stock. Do you play any instruments, Eek?
Well, no.
Great, you're in the band. Now, we've got to let the people know about Timmy Stock.
Hey, I know just the guy who can help us spread the word about Timmy Stock, Elmo.
Hey, I'm Chris Leary, and you are plugged into
The Fox Kids Countdown with Chris Leary.
Today, my special guests are Elmo the Elk and Eek the Cat. They're here to talk about their upcoming concert, Timmy Stock, to raise money for Elmo's little brother, Timmy. Now, Elmo, what exactly is wrong with Timmy?
Oh, Chris, it's terrible. Timmy wanted to see how much money he had, and, well, he got his nose stuck in his piggy bank.
We need to raise money to treat poor Timmy's facial disfigurement, so we're putting on a rock show, Chris.
Okay, well, our other guest today is a swimsuit model, actress, and calendar pinup girl named Julie.
Hello, Chris, Eek, Elmo.
Hello.
Hey.
So, we're ready to take your calls for Eek, Elmo, or Julie.
Eek. Oh, hey.
Well, let's take a call for Julie. It's Gunther from Metropolis.
Hi, Julie. I love that movie Space Fiends Go Disco. Did you do all your own stunts?
Doubtful, since I wasn't in that movie. Next.
Let's take another call.
So you see, Captain Yeager.
Please, ma'am, call me Chuck.
Chuck? Scott Crossfield may have set the stage for manned space flight, but your October 14th, 1947 X-1 flight certainly pushed the envelope towards the new frontier. You should feel good about yourself.
Thanks, Julie. I do feel better.
Hey, a call for Eek and Elmo.
Huh?
Have you seen the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man!
I'm afraid you have the wrong number.
No, I'm afraid you just picked up the wrong phone. He's after me. The Muffin Man, he's after me.
seems strange that America's listening audience would be more interested in a beautiful calendar girl bathing suit model like Julie than the plight of a young elk who tragically has a piggy bank stuck on his nose. Well, we just have to think of another way to draw attention to our benefit for Timmy. You know what our band needs is a high-profile drummer.
A drummer? Well, where are we going to find a high-profile drummer in time for Timmy Stock?
Come along, Biggie. The light's about to change.
Look, the lorry has eyes.
Get out of the street, Piggy.
But it's got eyes. Big, blinking eyes. There, on the lorry.
Shut up, Piggy. You're blinking better, you are.
But I saw them. Eyes on the lorry.
Shut up, Piggy.
Kumbaya, Timmy Stock appears to be a failure. Maybe we should have learned to play these instruments.
Stand back, man! New drummer!
Cramps in legs.
ASPCA, the broken pet go to the ASPCA. I said young pup.
I'm talking to Boo.
I said young pup.
You can chew on a shoe.
They got everything that a restaurant wants. Well, bring your doggy bag from a restaurant. At the ASPCA, the broken pet go to the ASPCA.
Huh? Money! The audience is throwing cash! Timmy Stock is a success! Kumbaya! There's probably enough money here for little Timmy to get his much needed up. Kumbaya, Elmo. It looks like a Christmas miracle. Apparently, our music has cured Timmy. Boy, it's wonderful when everything works out.
And now I know Timmy will use that hard-earned money to help others inflicted like himself.